Sorry about that, I guess. It just kind of died. I don't know what happened to it. It just shut down and died. I don't know. What, I'm supposed to know why Windows died? That sounds like not my thing. That sounds like somebody else's problem. Specifically a Microsoft problem. Okay, we got this file here. And they told me to change edit, change this to bytes, device type. Blocks. No, bytes. Okay, okay. Image URL. Image URL. Name? With this? Image URL. Like that? CMD not defined. For local deployment. Device type not defined. Device type with bytes. Undefined, undefined. Reference device type. Oh, I see. I'm dumb. Yeah, I see. Literally these, not the thing after them. Literally these. Replace literally these. I see. And then CMD not defined. Huh. No more errors. Status breakpoint. What the frig, man? Network interface, network interface. Set up network interface, registered network interface, run tests. Somebody tell me. Says Tailscale networking support is in. But how do I do it, dude? Where's the docs? Interfacing over sockets. File system using web workers. Command line options. We want these options. Disable error. Maybe it's just enabled by default, but I don't know how it knows if you instantiate the network interface, dude. How does it know? How does it know? Multiplayer platform shooter. Got anything that connect to the web? Just don't connect to the web. How come it broken? We followed the instructions, did we not? The deploy workflow takes into account the CMD specified in the Docker file. Start a local HTTP server, which I did. Replace image URL with the thing. Yep, did it. I got the mini. Bum 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 ba da dun dun dun. Quit it. Okay, it's getting killed because this is too big. It finished loading this thing and then it just fucking blows up. And then it blows up after that. Uh, 0519 5022 024. Ah. How come it blows up, man? How come? Why come? With custom Docker images. Docker. Fork it. Fork it good. Ooh, mini. What's the difference, bro? What's the difference? And how come mine blows up and theirs works? Run workflow, deploy. Fork it. Create. Settings. Actions. I understand. Go ahead and enable them. Deploy. Run workflow. Deploy to GitHub pages. Pages, GitHub actions, actions, deploy. Run workflow, deploy. Let's watch the GIF. He clicked fork. He created the fork. It's loading up. He's gone to settings after it switches over. He's speedrunning it, by the way. I can tell. I can tell the speedrun when somebody's doing it. Pages. Source. GitHub Actions. GitHub Actions is over there. Yeah, he understands. Deploy. Run workflow. Run it. Got it. Boom. Deploy is now in the queue, bro. It's queued up. What does the GitHub action do? Build network service workers .github workflows deploy. Actions checkout. Is it just downloading a Docker file? Generate and split the chunks. GitHub token. Docker.run. Docker files Debian Mini. Runs on Ubuntu latest. I don't think this is the thing that we want. I don't think so. Adjust. This setup takes the default index.html file by performing the following actions. Replace all occurrences. Updates. Okay, yeah, it's just rewriting some shit inside of here. Got it. Maybe I was editing the wrong line in here. Is that possible? It only existed one time, apparently. So, the answer would be no. That's what you've come to expect. Scale. Chirp J. Somebody have something? Somebody's got to have a demo. Chirp J meta. Applet runner. No. No, no, no. How come nobody got fucking demo project for me to copy? Eh? It's fucking bullshit is what it is. Same code we use for WebVM and ChirpX. Which is like, what the fuck even is this shit? Resolve login promise. F login promise is equal to new promise FR resolve login. Downloading network code. Starting login. So it's fetched. Click this button. If the JS was working correctly, it would do downloading network code, on click, login.html target equals underscore blank. So does login have, no, it's 1 kilobyte. Doesn't have anything. Loading network code. Await network login. Run test. Then run test with this. Okay, the context must just be cool then. Tail scale. Copy the IP to the clipboard. Login.tailscale machines. Like it really seems like they're not using some integrated package. Very weird. Tailscale connect npm. Serve build. Hey, I know these guys. No, that's chirp. I'm thinking of chirp. Of course. Different things. Okay, we're going to try this. Hello? I guess CMD is a bad name for a folder. It fucks up the path. This is called Tailscale. I'm gonna have to install the Go compiler. Do 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 do. Not Lang Lee. Just Lang will do. Just Lang will do, thank you. Hi, viewer. Whoa, cool. Filing blocks. URL class loader. Okay, Mr. Tailscale. CD Tailscale. CD TS Connect. T Disco Derp Client. Web. Where was I before? I'm in TS Connect. CMD's TS Connect. There's no cat. Go run. Go is not a recognized internal file. That's because I need to open a new context. Go run. Got no files. These tools, they're special thing. Oh, from the beginning of the go run CMD TS Connect dev. Do you need to build the whole project first? Maybe that's it. Building. Go install this stuff. Malformed. Invalid char. Fucking Windows bullshit. Other clients. How do you configure this shit? How does it work? Nobody knows. Open in JS Fiddle. I love to fiddle around. Hey, your thing didn't work. Where's the import? Huh? Isn't it supposed to put the thing in there? Got it. I think it's supposed to put this stuff in there. That contains a WebAssembly-based Tailscale client. See this here. Tailscale Connect. TSNet. How do I configure this shit? Quick start. Next steps. Webhooks. Run integrations. Developer tools. That's not what we need. Logging, auditing, streaming, network flow log, nodes, Docker file. This work? Guard clause canceled. Okay. That's too bad. That's too bad, ain't it? Quick start. We're already here. Node.js. Plumi is an infrastructure as code tool that allows you to deploy infrastructure programs. Node.js. TypeScript. Gross. The AI will do it. It's just, there's no fucking documentation for this shit. I'd love to run this locally, but it just do the crashy. Yo, we could try a different browser. What about that? Do you guys think the problem was Google Chrome browser? Even though it clearly wasn't Google Chrome browser. Can I do Chrome store? I kind of like this rounded edge. Kind of like it. We're looking for minimal new tab by down the crop. Down the crop. Chrome improvement project. Do. Want to reinstall it is what I want to do. Excuse me? Excuse me? Extensions. Default browser. Accessibility. Where's extensions? Cookie site permission, appearance. Sync profile features. Extensions. Mini scroll bar. Manage extensions. If readily installed this extension. Minimal new tab. Thank you. Keep changes. Okay, nice. Cool, it do be working still. And even if you have fewer top sites, it still work, which is amazing stuff, dude. Great work, Mr. Crop. Okay. This shit is not gonna work. But what if it did? See, I try and click this thing. Nothing. Oh yeah, it's re-commented some stuff, remember? Login. I for index. Let there be crash, he said, and there was crash. Crash bash. Yeah, the page crashed. No clicky? See how the HDD light is fucked up? Device type with bytes. Did we not? They don't tell you to comment those ones, and they're vars, so we're just redeclaring them. But come on, brother. Why it gotta crash to shit, you know? CMD is not defined. Bro, your mom is not defined. Ay, ay, ay. Buzz. Maybe it needs to have this streaming gzip compression or something, like run nginx Python script. Flask. Like, you see, there's a special nginx file here. So maybe you need to run it with this special config, you know? Enable compression used for the runtime chunks. So maybe that's the thing that we need, you know? Image slicer. The image slicer, huh? Because it makes sense that it's fucked up when it's trying to load a 600 megabyte file if it's streamed in, which obviously the one on their website is streaming. How can I create an Nginx web server in a specific folder in Windows? I have this config file. Okay, I have this Nginx folder now. Conf. Nginx conf. This is just like it is in the other place. They look so similar. Root. Update this to the folder. Server here. Start Nginx. -T-S reload. Update the configuration file. Locate, usually under here, replace its contents with your provided configuration. Adjust the paths. Okay, so I have this config that I like. This is the one that I want. This is the one that I have replaced it with. And then I set the folder, application, Etsy, location is what I want to change here, is what it's saying. Root, server root. Server root, huh? Another classic situation of needing to change all the forward slashes to backslashes. Everybody loves it. Who wouldn't? Location slash root. You don't even denote shit. You just like fucking... Alright, man. You just put it after it. Location. Images. Locate root. Do we just do the main one like this? I don't know, man. I feel like it's gonna say, cannot do it. I can't do it. Cannot find conf engine line 15. Okay, that's fine. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that, I say. Don't even worry about it. Site cannot be reached. 8081. It was a thing with fucking stupid Engine X. Ba-doop, 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 boop. Connect. Didn't I already have a login? Maybe I logged in with Google last time. That's probably what I did. That's probably what I did. Services. Aha. Access controls. Funnel. Logs. DNS. Machines. Okay, well now I'm disconnected from this, so this is not going to work. But if I reload this page, connect, copy this. Invalid port number. And see hello? Weird. It worked when I did it on the connect with Netcat. Options, U host port. UDP packets instead. Create Netcat server. Netcat-L. TCP connections on specified port. Oh, you know why? Duh. I don't have it open. Duh. 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 Look at that. Hello, world. Hello, world. So, from here, what do we want to do? Good question. We want to go to this file, cjdom. We want to put this bad boy into the old file, don't we? Open with. Here we go. Oops. Get rid of the Google Analytics stuff. Now if I reload this, where'd it chirpin'? Oh, that's the input field? That's cute. It's just hidden in there. Hee hee. Hee hee hee. Hee 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 hee. Format document. There you go. I think we can delete this. That's not the right key. Login URL ready. Exit node. Okay, still works. How about text equals empty box, huh? What do you think about that? I kind of like that idea. Where is there should be inside of the DOM someplace. Script, all that stuff. Download the latest ChirpX. Didn't I paste in the code from here? Reading properties of null. Am I forgetting something? We got the loader, but I think we need another thing. CJ3? And server. No, it looks like it's happy with that. Client home, files, file, another thing. Procs.jar. Everybody loves procs.jar. Script here. I don't know. Feels like this should do something. Console.log. Hello from JNet. Okay, he wants to do it. Minit. App procs.jar. Is procs.jar not in here? Maybe that's it. WebVM. He has procs.jar. I see him right there. This is a special thing. This app. Doesn't actually have to do with what you may think it does. Cannot read properties of null. Jar name does not start with this thing if it's app plus jar name. Is it accessing it? C.html. Chirp OS. We have two things called Chirp OS, which might be fucking it. So we got Chirp OS here, 196, and this is a different Chirp OS. Oh, interesting. Chirp OS. Load CTX. Hello from ChirpJNet. Network. Okay, that fucks it too. Run bash. Penchild script. I think we got double ChirpOS stuff going on, is what I would say. Wouldn't you agree? Cannot read properties of null. Reading 0. Chirp 0. Loader. Jar name is equal to app plus jar name. Jar, run jar. Jar name 0 does not equal slash. Jar name is equal to app plus jar name. Oh, if it doesn't begin with a slash, then give it app with jar name. Okay, so this theoretically should work. Maybe we're not sending them as a chunk correctly. Maybe it's some kind of chunk-based issue. Yeah, it looks like it's not getting the jar, which would make sense as to why it can't run it. It's called null.jar. Nope. Where is he? Chirp init. CJ3 loader. So the one that we actually care about is called procs.jar. Forbidden. Gzip on. Send file on. Gzip types. Application plain text. send file on. What's with this DOM manip stuff? Document dot captivity. Run bash. Oh. Or is this supposed to go outside of the body, you know? Shouldn't really matter in my opinion. Where the fuck you at? Right, 100, justify, whatever. I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. Chirp J display. There he is. Found him. Failed to fetch. I don't know how the Nginx server works for hot reloading stuff. Is initializing. Failed fetch. Not defined. Where's the Nginx over here? Restarted. Try it with the compression off. I don't think it's ever gonna initialize, bro. I think it's not ready yet, would be my next assumption. It ain't doing nothing, bro. This guy got a lot of things open, don't he? Cheer, CJ Dom. Forget what the... I used to get further than this. What the fuck's happening? What the fuck is happening? Latest. This is the same. It's the same. I don't think moving it around does anything. This shit worked better than this yesterday. What the fuck happened? WTF happened, bro? WTF? Maybe it's all fucking cashed up or some shit. Non-JS module files are deprecated. What you mean, Willis? Hi, I'm working. CR bug. Non-JS module files deprecated. What did I change from yesterday? Script stuff. Oh, that's new, the little cursor thing. Are they both supposed to be modules? I don't fucking know. It literally worked yesterday. I move this into the head. c.html. Cross origin policy header enabled. I kid you not, I had way more than this working yesterday. What has happened? What has happened to my boy? What has happened to him? I had a screenshot from yesterday of it almost working, bro. I don't think that's right. Okay. It's a little fucked up. $404. I had a lot more than this working yesterday. And now it's fucked up. Oh well, we'll give up on that. At least we got the local web VM running. We were right, it was about chunking of files. This one is really strange, because I uploaded this and then it's taking forever. Delete forever. Don't know if I want that option right now. But it is an option. But it is an option. I need the Frenchman. It is the
It is time for
Superbase.
us now to look at authentication with Superbase. Right now we've got two tables, clients and orders, and we've got row-level security policies written. However, later in our application, we would like to have some kind of authentication system that allows us to log in or log out from our session. Well, with Superbase, it's totally possible to create an authentication system. So when you click here on authentication, you arrive on this dashboard and on this table. And here we see that we've got a list of users with email, phone, provider, created, last signing, user ID. All right. So here our table is totally empty. Up there we've got reload button and also in the app.view or on our main file, the authenticated system that says that if there is no user, we just show login. If there is a user, we show all the other pages. And how do we check this user? By using the onAuth state change coming from Superbase SDK that returns a session to us immediately. So we don't need to set up any token. We don't need to do any auth with a GWT token because everything is already done with the Superbase SDK. So we actually win a lot of time. We save a lot of time by using this SDK.
I have this some other place. Have that here. Session.user on auth state change underscore session. Okay, let's see. See, totally epic. WTF, no face cam? Where'd the face cam at? Father to Roman. Romy. Romy.
We don't need to work on the authentication system. Supabase is dealing with it by using the
supabase.auth.on auth state change. Super. And I said super. On auth state change. Session. And that's what I love about the Supabase, because I am French. State that. Fucking God. Stop. We don't have this loading state. Okay. It's fine. If session. Oh, set user session. Set user. What are you mad about? Email address. Unexpected token. Oh. Oh. Something like that, huh? Yeah, look at this again. Unmounted. Open thing. Ah. There you go. User logged in as me. Auth login. Log out. Users logged out. This login page, I need to change this click to sign off dot sign in with Twitch. With this stuff back here. Click the button. Authorize me. User is not logged in. Why the fuck not, bro?
Summoner's Rift. 30 seconds until minions spawn.
User is not logged in.
Minions have spawned.
Logged in. Off.user does not equal null. Auth store. This dot set user user. Redirects to here. AFK warning. Your mom's AFK, bro. He's a beast, bro. This guy's going beast mode. He should have fought me. Level 3 here first. How is he level 3 before me? This is bullshit.
First blood. You have slain an enemy.
Okay, bye. I use the super base. Nice trade, brother. Bonk. Bunk, 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 bunk.
An enemy has been slain. Double kill. An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. Unstoppable.
No. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Flash Ignite? What the fuck is this shit? Jungle Trindler. He's owning. Herald time, bro. Mid. Space in the wrong direction.
Killing spree. Double kill. Unstoppable.
What about me? Don't you forget about me. Ta-dum, ta-dum.
An enemy has been slain. Double kill. Your team has destroyed a turret.
Don't you forget about me.
Turret plating will soon fall. Your team has destroyed a turret. Dominating.
Oh,
An ally has been slain. Godlike.
you do be pretty quick, don't you?
Rampage. Killing spree. Your team has destroyed a turret. Your team has destroyed a turret.
I got hit with a Q at the end there. I was dead either way.
Your turret has been destroyed. An enemy has been slain. You have slain an enemy. Legendary. Double kill. Your team has destroyed a turret. Your team has destroyed a turret. Your team has destroyed an inhibitor. Legendary.
Ra-da-da-da. Hey dude, what about the
An ally has been slain.
what about the Rift Herald, man? Wouldn't that have been a cool thing to do? He's fast as fuck, boy!
Your team has destroyed a turret. Victory!
User is not logged in. Wow! What a big win. What a big winner. I love to be bronze 1. Why the frig doesn't this work, bro? Eh? What happened? Didn't I have code here? What happened? Hello? Where did the on-mount stuff go? Hello? Where did it go? What? Am I crazy? Let's go here. No, it's after the return then. Super base not defined. Auth is not defined. Session is not defined. It's fucked up, dude. Why? Why don't I authenticate? Yeah, I don't fucking know why it doesn't want to work, bro. It's fucked up. Super base. Auth UI view. Viewpa base. What is Volar? I think I already have that. I think I already got that one. Protected. Let's try that. Protected. This is the protected page. There you go. That's good. Is this using good stuff? This callback page is the thing that is really fucking weird to me. Look at the router. Callback. Access token key directory. I guess you do need to parse the callback, man. It doesn't make sense that you have to do that. It doesn't make any fucking sense, bro. We need to add redirect URLs for our password reset flow and third-party auth flow. Once the app is finished, head over to authentication settings. Supabase have a great guide. When the user signs in, yeah, we got it. Copy your OAuth credentials. Generate a new client secret. Copy and save the client secret. Okay. Find your callback URL. Looks something like this. That's fine. But, like, why do we need the callback URL if it's like that, you know? Why do we need this local callback is what I'm saying. That parses the token. Why do you need that? If it's already provided by The super guys, huh? Super auth. Got it. Got it. Stores user.ts with Pina. Const is logged in is equal to computed user.value. User.value is equal to session. I think I need to just gut the site and try from scratch. Because this is fucking annoying. What the frig? Cowify? Coffee. Coffee! Green tea! Like, the thing that is just weird about this is that why do you need to do this, man? Why do you need to parse the stuff? Why? Add the Supabase JS client. Yeah. I'll try this again later. For now, I'm going to take a break because we spent so much time trying to get... Why the frig didn't my other site work anymore? I don't know, man. It don't make no sense why it wouldn't work anymore. Clearly that should work. Because this worked yesterday. It's stuck here. I don't think I got this fucking no resource with URL given either. It's very strange indeed. Very strange indeed is what I'd have to say about that. Do 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 do. Okay, peace.